Bold Locs That Command Attention. The Locsanity Bold Moisturizing and Conditioning Daily Spray for Dreadlocks gives every man the locks he craves. It thoroughly hydrates and strengthens your hair while nourishing your scalp. Feel confident that your locks are getting their daily dose of moisture while keeping both dandruff and hair damage at bay. Healthy Locs Without Scalp Buildup. Unlike other Loc hair care products, our Dreadlock Moisturizing Spray provides maximum nourishment without the gunky buildup. It also promotes hair growth and helps to soothe dry, itchy scalps. Great for use on all hairstyles and types, Locsanity's hair products work on microlocks, interlocks, dreadlocks, braidlocks, twistlocks, and sisterlocks, as well as protective styles like braids and twists. Rejuvenate dull hair, naturally, made with orange blossom water, cedarwood essential oil, and other natural ingredients. Contains no sulfates or other harmful chemicals. Plant-based, vegan, and cruelty-free. Healthy locks with a masculine scent. Locsanity Bold's Moisturizing Conditioning Daily Spray is specially formulated for men. It works just as effectively as our rosewater and peppermint spray, but has a scent that men will love. Spray daily on your locks from root to tip and feel the difference after just 1 to 2 uses. This conditioning spray for dreads is specially formulated for men. Works just as effectively as our rosewater and peppermint spray, but with a fresh, masculine scent that men will love. It helps to strengthen and hydrate the hair and scalp without leaving greasy, gunky buildup. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Love the smell. Makes my hair smell great and feel healthy on my locks.